Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is April 25th, 2025, and we're diving into Saia's first quarter earnings report. Saia, a leading transportation provider, has just released its financial results for Q1 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Saia's report is quite interesting, especially given the current economic climate and the challenges they faced this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Saia reported a revenue of $787.6 million for the first quarter of 2025, which is a 4.3% increase compared to last year. However, their operating income saw a significant decrease. John, can you explain this?
Absolutely. While revenue increased, operating income dropped by 40.5% to $70.2 million. This was primarily due to a higher operating ratio of 91.1% compared to 84.4% last year. The increase in expenses, particularly in salaries, wages, and benefits, as well as depreciation, played a major role in this decline.
And how did this affect their net income?
Net income for the quarter was $49.8 million, down from $90.7 million in the same period last year. The combination of increased expenses and a challenging economic environment contributed to this decline.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Saia reported a diluted EPS of $1.86, which is quite a miss compared to the forecasted $2.77 by analysts. What are your thoughts on this, John?
This is indeed a significant miss. The forecast was based on a survey of 8 analysts, and the actual EPS fell short by a substantial margin. This discrepancy highlights the impact of the unexpected challenges Saia faced, including adverse weather conditions and increased operational costs.
How do you think this will affect investor sentiment?
Such a miss can certainly dampen investor confidence in the short term. However, it's important to consider the broader context and Saia's strategic initiatives, which might mitigate some of the negative sentiment.
Operational challenges and strategic initiatives. Saia faced some operational challenges this quarter. Can you elaborate on these and how the company is addressing them?
Certainly. Saia experienced a 4.6% growth in LTL shipments, but adverse weather, particularly in the southern regions, impacted their operations. Despite these challenges, their network expansion continues, and customer acceptance in new markets remains positive. This strategic focus on expanding their terminal network is crucial for long-term growth.
How does the company plan to navigate these challenges moving forward?
Saia's leadership is focused on leveraging their nationwide terminal network to enhance service delivery. They are also committed to supporting their customers through these uncertain times, which should help stabilize their performance as the year progresses.
Financial position and capital expenditures. Let's shift our focus to Saia's financial position. How are they managing their cash and capital expenditures?
Saia ended the quarter with $16.5 million in cash and a total debt of $295.5 million. Their net capital expenditures for the first quarter were $202.1 million, and they anticipate around $650 million for the full year. This reflects their ongoing investment in expanding their service network.
Is their financial position strong enough to support these investments?
Yes, their financial performance over the years has positioned them well to withstand market uncertainties. Their strategic investments are aimed at enhancing their service capabilities, which should yield positive returns in the long run.
Key takeaways. In summary, Saia's first quarter of 2025 presented several challenges, but their strategic initiatives and network expansion efforts are noteworthy. Despite missing EPS expectations, their revenue growth and operational focus provide a foundation for future improvement. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Saia's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Saia's performance in the comments below. Until next time.